name is Asma Sultana Mullah, and I've been flying with Saudiya for past 28 years, and I'm a breast cancer survivor. In 2023, it was diagnosed that I had first stage of breast cancer. I remember my father, who always used to be a very strong personality, told me we have to be fine and fight. During my treatment, Saudiya stood by. Immediately, I was given medical, a long leave, and the day of my surgery, my in-flight service manager, she was on one side, standby with me, and on one side, my mom. I had two strong ladies beside me, and I went very much with ease for the surgery. My extended family, who's my cabin crew, they used to reach out every day to me. They used to message me, they used to send me flowers. They stood by me. When I got the news I was cancer free, I decided I'm going to try my best to pass down this message that early detection is the best cure. Like, I'm fortunate to be in the first stage when I was diagnosed. I'm proud to be a part of guest experience team at Saudiya, who is committed to this important cause.